Hey, Anthony here with Computer Repair Club. Today I will be recovering some data off someone's old hard drive from a crash system. It appears that it has a bad power supply, but the system is pretty old, so we're just going to remove the hard drive, take the data off, and put the data onto a flash drive. And here's a video on how to do that. So here's the computer right here. This is the computer we're taking the hard drive out of. The tools we will need today are our hard drive reader and our power supply to power the hard drive. So first step is removing the hard drive. See what we got here. Okay, take out the screw. Oh, and we need a screwdriver too. A Phillips. Take out the screw. And here I'm just going to pull off these two flaps here. We observed the hard drive, two more screws. First I'm going to remove the SATA cable, SATA power connector. Those screws are tight. Alright. Hard drive is removed. Looks like she did an upgrade because this is a Pentium 4 and it has a 320 gig hard drive in there. I doubt that came with it. Alright. So, first step is to plug in our power to the hard drive. Second step is plug in our recorder. Our data transfer cable, our hard drive connector. Okay, now we're going to plug it into the computer, just like that. Okay, now that we've plugged in the hard drive into the computer, we're going to navigate to it. And on Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7, there's this little folder icon on the start bar, which will take you to your library and show you all your different documents and different stuff on here. So to find the hard drive, we go to this PC, and there it is. As you remember, it was a 320 gig hard drive, and this is it right here. Even though it says 300, it's just the natural offset the hard drives are, so this is it. So I navigate in here, and she's using, this came from a Windows XP computer, so as you can see, there is a Documents and Settings folder. We double click that, then we go to the username. Her name is Pam, so this is the one it's under. And then we get her data. So basically, she said everything's under my documents, and here it is. So I'm going to right click on that and go to properties and see what's in there. So 56 gigs, so this will fit on a 64 gigabyte thumb drive, which is what I will be buying for her. Right now I don't have one, so I've plugged in an external hard drive and I will transfer these files onto that external hard drive. So my external hard drive is right here, the E drive, and I'm going to create a folder. And call it Pam Backup. And you could actually expand files. This is like the old Windows Explorer from Windows 98, Windows 2000. Same idea. So if you remember that in Windows XP, So I'm going to go back to the F drive and I'm going to expand the files here. I'm going to go to Documents and Settings, PAM, and I'm going to drag my documents to the PAM backup folder. That will take a little while as there's a lot of files, and once it's done, it'll be backed up. Okay, the computer has completed backing up PAM's data into the PAM backup folder. The last thing I like to do is I like to right click on PAM backup on the backup folder, go to properties, put them over here, and you'll see it's counting, and then I right click on the folder I backed up and go to properties. And I want to compare them, make sure they have the same amount of files, just to make sure nothing weird happened and we don't want to lose any of her files. So I put the windows side by side and we see that she has 20,071 files here in the PAM backup folder, and in the original folder 20,071 files there. Therefore we know that we've successfully backed up her data. Click OK here, and that's it. We're done. Alright, so we got the data recovered. Everything's fine. I ended up putting everything onto a 64 gigabyte thumb drive. And her data's backed up. Her data's saved. Another job well done. I may say so myself. And yeah, that's how you do that's how you back up data from a computer that has crashed. This is a Windows XP computer, so there'll be another video on later models of computers when they crash and how to recover their data. So yeah, please subscribe to the video, subscribe to our channel, go to the forum, register a new user, and join in the communications with us, and we can help each other out and learn all about computers. All right, thanks again for watching.